Here we are, folks, Jamestown Reservoir, the happiest place on the planet, going to roll through an absolutely amazing, revolutionary towing accessory, whether it's a trailer like we've got here or especially a camper. Let's face it, that time of the season is right around the corner. It is the Curt TruTrack weight distribution and sway control kit. Now, what is this basically going to do? It's going to replace your original and existing ball mount that you are using and have these two heavy-duty sway bars that are going to hook right up to pretty much any A-frame trailer setup that you can find. 10,000 pounds of towing capacity on this particular accessory. You can see here on our truck, you have a shank, 7 points of adjustment that you can actually get some drop or a little bit of rise. That is going to fit into a 2-inch receiver, 2 5/16 balls, so practically any heavy-duty trailer or camper that you have, you're going to be all set there. What is the main benefit of this accessory? Why, of course, we've all experienced those certain situations, whether it's a little windy, whether you're at different speeds on the freeway, highway, what have you. This baby is going to take the wobble and sway out of the trailer. And of course, sometimes it does feel like the trailer is driving you. That will no longer be the case. Limited lifetime warranty, guys. This is very, very famous from Curt. They stand behind their products and absolutely guarantee that this is going to be there backing you up for never, man. Check this baby out from Curt and many, many other amazing accessories at RHRSwag.com.